Okay, so since it is Fun Friday, we are going to make snow, and I'm going to show you a couple different recipes so that we can make snow. I'm going to start with the one, so I sent you all these containers of cornstarch that look like this. They are in your silver magic bag, but just so that I don't have to open this one, I'm going to take it out of here. So this is what it is. It's just Argo cornstarch. Cornstarch feels a little bit like flour, but it's a little bit smoother, which is why it's a fun one to use for snow. So here's what it looks like. It just looks like powder at this point. So you can add, there's a couple different ways to do this. You can add shaving cream to it, and this will just give it a little bit of texture, but it will also make it so that you can form it together. So I'm just going to show you that first while I'm talking to you. So see, there's the shaving cream. And then you just mix it through so that the cornstarch and the marries, that's what it's called. The cornstarch and the shaving cream marry. And then it will come out to be this like cool, fluffy, it feels like kind of like snow, but it's just not cold. See that? So that's one way to make snow. This one I do like because first of all, the cornstarch feels really good, and then it ends up, if you keep adding shaving cream, I'm not going to do that just because I don't want to waste the shaving cream, but if you keep adding shaving cream to it and keep adding, it will actually make dough. So the more shaving cream you add, the more it ends up being like dough. But I like it because, see, you can make snowballs out of it. And then you can actually make snowmen now because the shaving cream changed the texture. See that? You can also do this with oil. This is cooking oil, or you can do it with baby oil. I'm sorry, my hands are super messy right now. Or you can do it with cooking oil, and it will sort of do the same thing, except here, let's see if I can show you a little bit on this side where the cornstarch is. It will just, it'll just be smooth, but it'll be a little bit wetter. So it does stick and form the more cornstarch you add. I'll give you a little bit. I know I really should do this more scientifically, but I just want to show you what it looks like. Here's the cornstarch, and then you mix it up. And I just want to show you what this one looks like. So this, it looks similar. See, this is a little more formed. And then this one will be a little more like fluffy snow, like it was on the ground. See, but this also allows you to pack it, like just like grill snow. See? Pretty cool, right? All right, one more thing. You can also do this with flour. The one thing I can say is the cornstarch is smoother. It's also messier. It sticks to your hands a little more. If you do it with flour and oil, or flour and baby oil, but it lasts for days. So you don't have to put this in like even in a plastic container. You can leave it in an open container and you can play with it for days. Just play with it somewhere where the grown-up helper says you may. All right. Do not play with it in like your bedroom where they have not given you permission to do that, because that would be a bad idea. But this is how you make snow. So I would like you to try some. First of all, it's fun, but also because when you make snow, you can also do things like practice your numbers, writing in snow, and the texture helps you memorize how to make letters and numbers. So if you wanted to, you can also practice writing your name. And because you've added the oil to it, or you've added the shaving cream to it, it will now have like a different feel to it. So you can feel it as you write. Like if my name was Dustin, I could practice D-U-S-T-I-N. So let's say you practice your name, or practice or make some snow, do some measuring, do some feeling. You can even use it to practice 3D shapes, because we know if a 3D shape like a snowball It is a sphere. So let's see you practice some of your things in some snow. Try it out. It's fun. I gave you all of the materials. The recipe is in there, and the shaving cream is in there, and the cornstarch is in there, and have a good time, snow babies.